How to reset your Libertex password. First of all, open the app on your device. On the main screen, tap on the login button. Above the login fields, you will see the restore password option. Tap on it to start the password reset process. Next, enter the email address associated with your Libertex account and tap continue. Libertex will send the password reset link to your email. Open your email inbox, find the message from Libertex and tap on the reset link provided. You will now be redirected to a page where you can create the new password. Enter a strong and secure password, then confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your password is different from your previous one and contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. After successfully creating a new password, return to the Libertex app and log in using your email and the new password. Now you know how to reset your Libertex password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.